Stop spread the germs or virus that can make you and others sick. Cover your mouth for stop spread the virus. Cover with your elbow if don't have any to use. And then, wearing mask is more effective in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Next, also can use towel or tissue if not wear a mask. After that, throw your used tissue or mask into the bin. Lastly, wash your hands perfectly at least 1 minute after coughing.